Ayun mga idol, andito tayo guys sa may Barangay Santa Cruz, kung saan may nagaganap na Pasuba Marathon. So videoan natin yung mga nagsuba doon, idol no? Idol no, koy na dyan. Puntahan na natin yung mga ano.
Suis-moi, tu vas kiffer, pas moyen que tu dormes.
Master Remix nga manatod sa paglalapis
Wala sa edad ang sumpa. Alright! Congratulations, Pamela! Okay, for the another set of award, the Hata Woods. Congratulations! Congratulations!
Sing Pamela for our Roshala Iris Artica.
Will receive a sash and gift.
We will see the Sash and the team awarded by our honorable Birthday Captain State Pangilinan and also Conchana. So, pupunta na tayo sa exciting part.
And also, for Miss Fashionista. Alright, congratulations. From Miss Fashionista, Ma'am Imelda Magtono. We receive a cash and a gift to be awarded by our honorable State Pangilinan and Conchana Iris Arcido. And of course, Best in Zumba Outfit. Ayan. Best in Zumba Outfit. Congratulations. Congratulations! You are best in Zumba outfit, Ken Mariano. Just awesome. Pangmalakasang outfit. Pak na pa. Congratulations, Ken Mariano from Green Village Construction Carla. And also, congratulations for the millennial moves. Sino kaya ang millennial moves natin? We will receive a cash and a sash and a gift awarded by our honorable State Pangilinan and Conchana Iris Arcega. Congratulations! You are the millennial move, Raisa! Congratulations, Raisa! Asan si Raisa? From Barangay Marulong. Ayan, Raisa Tolentino. Ang pisan ko. Congratulations from Barangay Marulong. Ayan. Okay. Susunod na award for Sayaw Kids. From Watermark Concepcion. Congratulations! Amaya! Ayan, congratulations, Amaya! From Watermark Concepcion, we'll receive a gift and a cash awarded by our honorable State Pangilinan and Conchana Iris Arcega. And this is it. For our last award, congratulations, you are the face of the night! Face of the night! Sino ang naging between ngayong araw na to, ngayong gabing ito? Ayan, you are the face of the night! Congratulations, Melanie Montemayor! We receive a cash and a gift, also awarded by our honorable Barangay Captain State Pangilinan and Conchana Iris Arcega. And now, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin lahat ng mga na-award. And also, palakpakan po natin our Barangay Captain Honorable State Pangilinan and Conchana Iris Arcega. Palakpakan naman po natin. And also, the committee here at Barangay Santa Cruz, thank you so much and congratulations for another successful event. Thank you so much. And of course, inahiyan po natin kayo bukas at 7 a.m. Ayan. Karera ng mga kalabaw here at Barangay Santa Cruz and of course, fun run. Para activities po ang fiesta ng Barangay Santa Cruz. Kaya po, tangkinikin po natin, manood po tayo. And of course, kami mga blessing 16, lilig at kumakapaw natin. Higit na po namin si Kapitan. Ayan. Para sa picture natin. Kasi ko siya, baka yung pwedeng Shala Iris Arca.
Herman.
Ang saya. Happy Fiesta in advance. Barangay Santa Cruz. And also, congratulations, RCB Shakers from Green Beach Conceptual.
Ayan mga taga-Green
Santa Cruz. And Rocky TV, thank you so much. Like tayo.
Ay.
The RCB Shakers from Green Village Concepcion. Thank you so much. Alright, congratulations! TPC from Ibang barangay, kahit malayo, alam na alam mo talaga, mahal nila ang barangay Santa Cruz. Thank you so much. The Parulong Movers, thank you so much. And also, thank you so much, Mr. Mike Pangilinan, Ma'am Mika Galang, Ma'am Marimik Lansangan, Mel Valley, Alden, and may kapan, lalong-lala si Amok Santa Cruz. Thank you so much. The Barangay Officials 2024, our Honorable Barangay Captain, si Pangilinan, and of course, Barangay Kagawad, here Barangay Santa Cruz, the Chairman, Mr. Renas